Hello class. Today's topic is for class 7th, that is the temperature conversion. Most of the students they find difficulty in this conversion. So today we will discuss the first conversion, that is from Celsius scale to Fahrenheit scale. For conversion of this temperature, we have the formula degree Fahrenheit is equal to degree Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32. Remember that this is in the brackets. So we have to solve this bracket portion firstly. Let us first convert 40 degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. कि 40 degree Celsius कितने Fahrenheit के equal होगा. So we have this formula, we will apply this formula. In place of this Celsius we have 40 degree Celsius हमें value given है. So we will put this 40 in place of Celsius. Then multiply, this is 9 by 5 brackets and then plus 32. Now from on the next point we will cut this 5 8 जा 40 होता है. ठीक है, तो ये कट गया. 5 8 जा 40, 9 8 जा 72 plus 32. Total will be 104 degree Fahrenheit. So 40 degrees Celsius will be equal to 104 degree Fahrenheit. You have to put the value here and to solve these brackets firstly, and then after solving the bracket you will add this plus 32. Now the second example is 82 degrees Celsius. How can you convert 82 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit? Again we are using this formula. In place of this Celsius now we have 82. So we have 82 into 9 by 5 bracket plus 32. Because this 582 is not there in the table of 5, or it can't be cut by 5, so we will multiply this 82 into 9. This 82 into 9 will be equal to 738. So we have 738 upon 5 plus 32. Now divide this 738 by 5 like this. 5 1s are 5, then we have 2 remainder, we will take 3, 5 4s are 20, then we have 3 remainder, we will take this 8, 5 7s are 35, then we have 3 remainder, then we will put the decimal and we will take the 0. Now we have 5 6 are 30 और ये हमारा कट जाएगा. हमारे पास आ गया 147.6 plus 32. We will add this. Now how will you add this? 147.6, we will add 32 like this. 32.0, 6 plus 0 6, 7 plus 2 9, 4 plus 3 7 and 1. So we get 179.6 degree Fahrenheit. We will take one more example of this conversion. Third example is how can we convert 100 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit. Again we have formula that degree Fahrenheit is equal to degree Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32. Degree Celsius means we have 100 degrees Celsius now. So 100 into 9 by 5 bracket plus 32. What is the need of this bracket? This bracket tells us that we have to solve the things which are present in the bracket first. Then we will add 32. So 5 2s are 10 and 0. 9 2s are 18. So this is 180 plus 32. So 180 plus 32. You can add this like this. 180 plus 32. 2 8 plus 3 11 और ये हो गया हमारे पास 2. So we will have 212 degree Fahrenheit. So 100 degrees Celsius it is equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit.